How many of you have children under 12 in your life? You all do. We live on planet Earth. There's kids everywhere. Come on. Get it together for the future. Oh yeah, so I have a story for you. Once upon a time, there was a kid named Sauryn. Sauryn had the power to turn a stick into a wand, a puddle into a portal, and a couch cushion into a mountaintop. And one day, a new magic arrived. A flashing, glowing box called a screen. And at first it was helpful. His parents could cook, they could clean, they could answer emails. But slowly, Sauryn's sparkle faded, his moods crashed, and it was like somebody turned down the brightness in his soul. And all around the world, parents and grandparents noticed that their children and grandchildren were also turning into little screen zombies. Here.
Yes.
And one night, Sauryn's mom whispered, there must be a way to bring his magic back. And Sauryn's dad said, well, what if we gave him stories instead of screens? And so they started making up incredible tales about ladybugs who thought they were dragons, and young wizards who learned that practice makes magic. And Sauryn listened, and his sparkle returned. And so then they tried audio stories, and his imagination expanded even more. But what they discovered is most of the audio stories were either junk food entertainment or poorly produced. And having had a media company and creative agency for 20 years, Sauryn's dad thought, we could do better, and kids deserve better. And that's how Majik Kids was born. And believe it or not, but parents everywhere started tuning into the power of audio. The whole world started listening. The children's audio entertainment space is a booming $1.5 billion industry with 0% growth per year. Hooray! There's opportunity. So, Majik Kids is a bridge within the audio entertainment space. We craft and curate the very best movies for the ears, audio stories, music, and imagination meditations. We share those everywhere families are listening, and then we bring those families home to the Majik Kids app. Listening mode for entertainment and inspiration, and learning mode for education and self-discovery. And in a few short years, while running their other company, Majik Media, they managed to build a world-class creative engine, platform, and IP library with thousands of leverageable assets. And behind the curtain, hundreds of artists started joining. World-class, award-winning storytellers, musicians, voice actors, illustrators, educators, sound designers, all getting paid their fair shares through the Majik Kids Fair Pay Publishing laws. And it's starting to spread to dozens of platforms, schools, libraries, 1,400 homes around the world, awakening imaginations in its wake. And as momentum grew, so too did revenue. Hooray! Majik Kids is fueled by app subscriptions, driven by comedy advertising, licensing partnerships, and education partnerships. And then the founding family invested over $500,000 to bring Majik Kids to life. And then Sauryn's dad, hello, that's me, Bradley, hopped on a plane, flew to Austin, and met an incredible group of human beings, and stood on this very stage before you, asking you for $1.5 million. To scale the creative engine, strengthen the dream team, and bring Majik Kids to millions of families worldwide. Because Majik Kids is here to raise a generation of empowered creators with less screens and more imagination. And we built the rocket ship. The dream team is aboard, and we're ready to fly. And so I ask you to help me write the next chapter in this intergenerational story as an investor, as an advisor, or strategic partnership. Let's make magic. The end and the beginning. We love you, Bradley!
Oh.